it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos. This is a Matchbox snowplow truck. It's a Chevy or a GMC. Doesn't have an emblem on the front of it or anything, but what I'm going to attempt to do is change out the wheels on it. Kind of got an idea what I want to do, so let's go ahead and drill this thing out and let's hope for the best. I'm not really sure how this is going to work out, but let's try it. Metal here, plastic there. Like I've said all along, always keep these around. This makes a lot less mess if you have to clean up off of your bench or desk or whatever you got going on there. There we go. Took it right off of there. As far as plastic, just go ahead and go. And that's almost pretty much what you need to do. Holy moly, what a mess. Alright. There we go. That comes right up off of there. Pretty easy. And there's the bottom. So, this is the first time me ever opening one of these, so bear with me here, guys. As you see, there ain't much to them. There's no interior in this thing. In fact, that's the glass, everything. I may be doing a lot to this truck before it's over with. Maybe going with like repaint with state yellow on it. Do all the details stuff. But for right now, I just kind of want to do the wheels on it and see how it looks. Cut that all off. There we go. Now let's get back to the wheels here. Oh, these things are not coming out, are they? I think I actually bent that. Huh. Okay. I may have to go to extremes here. Let me see. There we go. Alright. Now, let's get out my drill bit. And let's get out a drill. Alright. What I'm going to do that I didn't say to begin with is I'm going to put duals on this thing. Ooh. And be very careful. Don't drill your fingers. Alright. Let's go for this. These axles seem to go in real far on these wheels for some reason. I don't know why, but they do. Alright. Looks like this might work, guys. Yeah, it snapped right back in there. May not have to do anything else with that. Hey, look at that. Wheels don't stick out too far. Front wheels could stick out just a little bit more. There we go. That looks better. Still rolls. I'm going to leave this where it's loose because, like I said, I think I may do a repaint on this. You know, state yellow. See about doing a yellow light. Paint, you know, do the whole paint job on this. Make it into a state truck. So, anyways, that's a quick one, guys. Dual wheels. It's on a newer Matchbox truck, and it actually does not look too bad, guys. You guys can do this. This is an easy thing to do. These are the Greenlight dually wheel pack, and it makes it for a good looking truck. So anyways, like, subscribe, share. I appreciate all you guys that have already liked, subscribed, and shared. And catch me on the next video. Make sure you hit that bell if you've subscribed, so this way you can always get updates and you know when I put out the next video. So thanks a lot.